So we're going to replace the battery for our Lenovo tablet, and you can see that it is fairly bloated. If you see the battery in this state for your tablet or even your mobile phone, in our case it's so bloated that it actually pushed out the back cover. So you can see the black cover is just a series of double-sided tape. In this case, for a bloated battery on any tablets or mobile phone, stop using, as it is very dangerous. So you can see we have gotten a new battery, and let's replace the battery for this tablet. First is to remove the two screws for the battery connector. And this is the second screw. Next, remove the flex from the connector. Okay, you need to pry it off. Okay. You need to remove the old battery, and how you do it is by simply prying it out. You may use a simple tool to gently pry it out. Again, it is double-sided tape below. There you go. And then the old batteries. So you can see how bloated the battery is. Do not squeeze it. Dispose of it carefully. And now we'll put in the new battery. It sits right in place. As you can see, it is flat, and you can tip back the flex over here. Okay, you need to press down the connector, the battery connector, and then you put in the screws. There, the screws are back in place. Then you can replace the back cover. And there, battery is replaced. Let us charge it. You may need to charge a few hours for the new battery, but at least it is able to power up. So this is how you replace the battery for your Lenovo tablet.